There's been a statement that has been made by Congress leader Pramod Tiwari, sticking with news coming in from Uttar Pradesh. Pramod Tiwari, who's a senior Congress leader, has said if BSP would have joined hands with the India alliance, the result in Uttar Pradesh would have been very different and India could have won 80 of 80 seats. The Congress leader also said that his advice to Mayawati is now to join forces with Congress and Samajwadi Party in UP to defeat the Bharatiya Janata Party. The interesting point, viewers, in all of this is because the BSP, Mayawati, in terms of vote share, has come to about 9.48% vote share, which is lesser from, of course, 2019, where it had fought in combination with Samajwadi Party, but it still held on to about a 10% vote share. In terms of seat, it came down to nothing for the BSP, but there were about 17 seats that the BSP had a winning margin, which hampered the India alliance and led the BJP to win that seats. But it cut both ways. There were 11 seats where, because of the BSP, the India alliance won. And right now you have senior leaders from the Congress actually inviting, Pramod Tiwari, inviting Mayawati now to join in the India alliance going into the elections 2027. Meanwhile, more news coming in from Uttar Pradesh. Samaj. All right, listen in to Pramod Tiwari.
80-0 होता, 80-0 मोदी जी भी हार जाते। बहुत प्रयास किया गया, लेकिन मैं बड़ा सम्मान करता हूं आदरणीय मायावती जी का, तैयार नहीं हुई। उनका हम एकला चलेंगे, चले। 16 सीटें मैं गिन के दिखा सकता हूं। हमारा इंडिया गठबंधन इसलिए हार गया कि उन्होंने या तो एक जाति विशेष के, धर्म विशेष के लोगों को खड़ा किया, वो इतने वोट ले गया कि हम जीत नहीं पाए। मायावती जी अगर साथ रही होती तो तस्वीर फर्क होती, और उनके न रहने से हम 16 सीटें हारे हैं। ये तो मैं आंकड़े के साथ रख सकता हूं। मेरा सलाह यही है कि अगर भाजपा को वो हराना चाहती है, भाजपा से सचमुच उनको लगता है कि भाजपा हारनी चाहिए, तो उन्हें गठबंधन के साथ आना चाहिए।
So an invitation there to the BSP Mayawati from the Congress, come join us before UP goes into elections in 27. Meanwhile, let's get you more news coming in from East Uttar Pradesh. Samajwadi Party leader Afzal Ansari has said, Afzal Ansari is Mukhtar Ansari's older brother. He has won, Afzal Ansari, from a Samajwadi Party ticket from the seat of Ghazipur. Now, he said that it was a close call for Modi in Varanasi and it was only Yogi Adityanath who saved the Prime Minister in due time. Listen in to what he said.
अरे भैया, संभाल दिया योगी आदित्यनाथ है। मोदी का जादू खत्म हो चुका है। अंतिम चरण में योगी आदित्यनाथ ने बनारस में आकर के एकदम खूंटा गाड़ करके इस बात का प्रयास कर दिया और अपने लोगों को तेज किया कि किसी भी सूरत से मोदी जी को जिता देना है। और नहीं, यकीन मानिए, मोदी जी भी चुनाव हार गए होते अगर इतना मजबूती से योगी आदित्यनाथ न